Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can change your radio button colors. Alright, so we're gonna do this in CSS and I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code, but you can use any other code editor of your choice. Alright, so I'm gonna go to VS Code, and right here in my index.html file we see that I have this input with my radio buttons. Alright, so we're gonna do this by targeting the tag input, and we're also gonna add a class to one of these, so we can choose to change the color for the inputs with the same class, or just target all inputs in this document. So we're gonna go to my style.css file. We're just gonna go and target input. Open and close curly braces, and now we're just gonna go and add accent dash color. So I'm just gonna add red, like so. We're gonna save this, go back to the file, and now we can see that we have this red color instead. If you want to change only one of these, so let's say only this one, I'm just gonna go back to my index.html file, and I'm just gonna go and add a class. Like so, I'm just gonna add first dash radio. We're gonna go to my style.css file, and we're gonna target that one. So for classes we add a dot and first dash radio. Open and close curly braces. And just do the same thing, accent color, and let's say I want to have yellow. We're gonna save this one, go back, and now we have yellow for the first one and the other ones are still red. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change the colors of your radio buttons. And also if you want more of these videos, you can go to my YouTube channel and follow me and check out my other videos. And also you can go and join my Discord server, What's Developer. We are all about web development. You find the link in the description. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.